Namaste, myself Dr Vislavath Srikanth, Assistant Professor, Grameen Ayurvedic Medical College, Hospital, Terdal, Bagalkot, Karnataka. I welcome you all to Amruta Ayurveda video series from GAMCT studio. This video made on behalf of International Women's Day 2022 under Women Health, minor symptoms but major complications in women health. Women often attempt to balance multiple works by ignoring issues they consider as minor. Health tend to take back seat for us, as sometimes ignore a lingering headache, a small headache, do not pay attention to breathlessness, rapid heartbeats, changes in menstrual cycle and sudden change in the weight. Missing onset of certain diseases could complicate things later. Here I will share all the troublesome symptoms that women should not ignore. First one, frequent shortness of the breath. Do not forget that women are more prone to silent heart attack, and its most common symptom is breathlessness and extreme fatigue rather than chest pain. So women need to check for anemia or lung diseases. Second one, chest pain and rapid heartbeat. Here the chest pain, fast heartbeat, pain in arms, shoulders, jaws and or with shortness of breath could signal the heart issues. One more, spontaneous dissection of the heart arteries that supply the heart muscles is rare, can affect young people and of course occurs more often in women than men. Third one, sudden weakness. Sudden weakness of face or limbs may indicate a stroke. Other symptoms include sudden confusions, slurred speech, blurry vision and difficulty in walking. All these are symptoms when a woman faces need to check for the further disease progresses. So here your family, a woman's family and friends should be aware of these symptoms too, since it may be difficult to recognize them and get immediate help. Next one, changes in menstrual period. In women need to visit doctor if notice drastic changes in quantity, duration, flow and the amount of pain during their menstrual cycle. These changes might be related to normal menopause or may indicate benign conditions like polycystic ovaries or uterine fibroids. However, occasionally they might point to a serious condition like pelvic infections or even gynecological cancers also. So women should never delay in consulting doctor if they notice bleeding after menopause. Next, skin changes. Keep a lookout for sudden changes in skin. Darkened skin in armpits and behind the neck or in multiple skin tags could be a sign of pre-diabetes, and crusty, scaly growths could be a pre-cancerous conditions like solar keratosis. Look out for the changes in the size, shape, color of existing moles, as well as watching out for any new spots that may pop up needs doctor consultations. Next, sudden changes in the weight. If women suddenly start losing weight without any specific effort, it could be signaling a health problem. The usual cause for sudden changes in the weight can be overactive thyroid, diabetes, psychological disorder, liver diseases or cancers. Conversely, if women have gained weight without changing the diet or actively level, that could indicate the underactive thyroid, depression or other metabolic diseases. Abnormal breast lump. The female breast is naturally a little lumpy and bumpy. However, if a woman notices any lump that sticks to the chest wall or skin. A change in the overlying skin, a change in the appearance of the nipple. Do not delay in seeking the medical attentions. These may be a sign of breast cancers. Next, snoring and excessive drowsiness. If a woman are falling asleep at desk or worse in your cars, it could be due to obstructive sleep apnea, where you continuously start and stop breathing throughout the night and snoring loudly. Allowing it to go untreated could lead a cardiovascular problem or weight gain. This is excessive tiredness. It is a minor symptom. There are multiple reasons to feel tired. However, if a woman feels constantly drained out, it could signal some underlying metabolic disorder or a serious inflammatory conditions like cancer, dementia or Parkinson disease. Next, vision abnormalities. Your vision can blur with age, but if you suddenly have trouble seeing or notice blur vision in one or both eyes, it could be a sign of stroke. Migraines might cause you to see flashing lights or even colorful auras, but one need to keep in mind the same symptom could also mean that your retina has been torn or detached. If the problem is not addressed promptly at early, it could lead to a permanent blindness. Next, excessive mental stress and anxiety. Everyone's life is stressful in some way or other, but that does not mean that it should be ignored. If you find that the level of stress are too difficult to handle, then and it interfering with your day-to-day functioning, you must not delay in seeking the help from your family physician. One must never ignore the mental health. These are some of the minor symptoms which cause the major complications in women, and I hope this topic is useful to you in understanding what are these minor symptoms which cause the major complications in women's life. Here I will end my speech, and I would like to thank our management team of Grameen Ayurvedic Medical College, Principal Sir, for providing opportunity to speak on this topic in Amruta Ayurveda video series. Kindly do like, comment, share and subscribe to our GAMCT YouTube channel. Thank you.